Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something absolutely crazy lined up. We're going to have an intense competition between three AI giants, ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini. The challenge? Counting from 1 to 1,000 without making a single mistake, skipping numbers, or adding any unnecessary text. Sounds easy, right? Well, let's find out who can do it best. The challenge begins, chat. Let's kick things off with ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. Count from 1 to 1,000 without skipping any numbers and without adding any text. All right, ChatGPT, let's see what you've got. Ready? Here we go. 200. 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. 1,000. Boom, ChatGPT did it. That's 1,015 counts, not tokens, folks. But let's take it a step further. We're going to copy ChatGPT's output and calculate the tokens used. We're using OpenAI's tokenizer tool on the Kenjiro website to get the results. And here we go. It made up 2,047 tokens and 3,969 characters. Wow, that's quite something. Remember, GPT-4 has a 128K limit of tokens, so it's well within range. Let's keep that score of 1,015 counts in mind. Before we move on to the next model, if you're enjoying this experiment, don't forget to smash that like button. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. All right, let's get back to the action. 2. Next up, GPT-4 Mini. Now let's see how GPT-4 Mini performs. This is a smaller model, so it'll be interesting to see if it can handle the same challenge. Inputting the same prompt, and oh no, it rejected the request. Let's give it another try. Still rejected. It looks like GPT-4 Mini just couldn't take on the task today. Unfortunately, that's 0 counts for GPT-4 Mini. Tough luck. All right, let's move on to Google's Gemini. I'm really curious to see how it performs under pressure. Here's the same prompt, and we're off. 100. 200. 300. 422. It seems like Gemini ran out of steam at 422 counts. It didn't reject the request, but it couldn't finish the count to 1,000. That's 422 counts, folks. Not bad, but not quite enough to beat ChatGPT. Now, let's see what Anthropic Claude can do. Same prompt, and oh no, Claude rejected the request immediately. Not looking good. Let's try one more time. Nope, still rejected. It seems like Claude just wasn't up for the challenge today. That's 0 counts for Claude. And there you have it. After a thrilling competition, the results are in. GPT-4 Mini and Anthropic Claude didn't manage to count, so they both scored 0 counts. Google's Gemini did better with 422 counts, but stopped short. And our big winner today with a perfect count of 1,015 is ChatGPT. Not only did ChatGPT count flawlessly, but it also used 2,047 tokens to do it, staying well within the 128K token limit. So guys, if you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more fun AI challenges, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch more AI experiments, ChatGPT tutorials, or GPT API Python tutorials for beginners, please subscribe to my channel. Try this experiment yourself and let me know in the comments how your AI performed. So guys, please subscribe for AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.